from our side at the Ministry of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, as it relates to our discussion at FED today, was largely based on the government's agenda to create decent and quality jobs for young people across the country. And as part of that agenda, if you've been following, you notice we've started on a new project that we call the 3 Million Technical Talent. And this is a program where we aim over the next 4 years to train 3 million technical talents, but also find sustainable ways to put them into jobs. This program was announced 2 weeks ago, and we're happy to announce that while we were targeting just 30,000 for the first batch, we've actually received an application of over 550,000 applications from across the country. I think the spread of the application is also why we're extremely excited about this program. So we've been in deep conversations with state governors and different partner organizations. An announcement was made last week where IHS, one of the local infrastructure company, committed 1 billion naira towards the program. We've been to states like Cross River State. We've been engaging states like Kwara State, Ogun States, where we're looking to share some of their infrastructure in the process of being able to deliver this training program to this applicant. I think one thing that is important to note with why we're doing this is not just another training. We all know that technology under this government is becoming a major part of how we do things, how we reposition public services. But you can't really leverage technology if you don't have the talent to drive it. So for technology to truly work for Nigeria, we need a very deep workforce that can power our ambition. But the beauty also is that the world generally is adopting technology, and there's shortage of people and talent globally for this. Most of the European countries have challenges with aging population, which means they're looking to countries like Nigeria, where our population is over 60% young people under the age of 25. So we're looking at this program as not only providing opportunity for us to build our workforce locally, but to also become a net exporter of talent. We would like our young people who are technologically savvy to be able to work remotely for companies all over the world. And this is why we believe that this program is going to become a key game changer in the coming years. Thank you. Which is the fact that we're all connected. Our world is connected. It's a lot easier for people to acquire skill sets, but also find job opportunities digitally, which is a challenge for governments all over the world, not unique to Nigeria. How do you keep track of these individuals? But I think that question speaks to the progress that we've made. You know, if I tie the answer to the question to the progress that we've made with the national identity number, which about now we've registered 90% adult. And in the application for this program that I was talking about, you had to, it was a condition that you must use your NIN number or your BVN number to actually be able to sign up for the program. So as government is investing in this program, we know these unique individuals that will benefit from the investment from government, which means we can follow their journey, right? As they need support, we can follow their journey. If there are opportunities for them to even acquire loans that they can use to support themselves while they're in the program, the government will continue to explore those opportunities. But the implication of that is that we can also then onboard them formally into the tax system, which is currently difficult to do when people work abroad and they work online. And that speaks to the second part of your question, which is what's the benefit to society. So we're not throwing this money in a basket. We're throwing the money to ensure that people are skilled, properly skilled, and that they're onboarded to be part of the digital global economy. And as they do that, they earn decent salaries, mostly in foreign exchange, in foreign currency. A lot of them will get the opportunity to bring that money back to the country. In the process of doing that, they will support themselves, their immediate family, but also contribute to the economy as well. So in terms of quantifying this, I think as we do this investment, it will become a lot clearer. And we will ensure, and we're committing to the fact that we will track the value and the benefit of this investment because we know the people that will participate as well. Thank you.